5 nutrition mistakes that are making us fat. Obesity is an epidemic, and we all want to escape it. So, if you have put on a few unwanted pounds, the urge to immediately lose them can sometimes cause you to make mistakes. We have listed some of the most common diet mistakes. You could be guilty of committing some of these too. 1. Choosing only low-fat or diet food. Processed, low-fat, or diet foods are often considered to be the ideal choice when it comes to losing weight, but that might not always be true. Many of these so-called healthy foods are often loaded with sugar to improve their taste. Therefore, instead of keeping you full, low-fat foods are more likely to make you hungrier, and you might end up actually eating even more. It is healthier to choose a combination of nutritious, minimally processed food products instead. 2. Not eating enough protein. Protein is the single most important nutrient if you are aiming for weight loss. A high-protein diet improves metabolism, reduces the appetite, and positively impacts several weight-regulating hormones. It also helps protect muscle mass during weight loss. A study found that a diet containing about 0.6 to 0.8 grams of protein per pound may help with appetite control and improve your body's composition. 3. Eating too often, even if you are not hungry. We are often advised to eat small portions and at multiple times during the day, if we want to lose weight, rather than have big meals 3 times a day. However, this is not true. Eating when you're hungry and only when you're hungry is the key to losing weight. This is because eating too often, even if you eat less, can unknowingly lead to too many calories being consumed over the course of the day. 4. Drinking packaged fruit juice. People who strive for weight loss mostly stop drinking soft drinks and other sweetened drinks. But they often forget about packaged fruit juices. Even 100% fruit juice is packed with enough sugar to make your weight loss plans go awry. For e.g., 12 ounces of unsweetened fruit juice may contain about 36 grams of sugar. That's more than in 12 ounces of soda. 5. Eating a lot and not including fresh fruits in your diet. Eating too much and not including fresh fruits in your diet can also make your weight loss dreams remain dreams. The best fruits for weight loss are watermelons, pears, apples, and grapefruits. So, which mistakes have you been making? Share your little secret with us in the comments below.